My name is Maret Komarova. I'm from Estonia. I'm a semi-professional poker player. Kashkin Festival is unique because you can play when you want to play. Like tournaments, you have a certain time you have to be there, and when the event starts, and there is a certain amount of money you have to pay for the tournament. But Kashkin Festival, you can choose the level you play at. It's more variety. I walk away from the game when there are too many good players playing. The Kashkin Festival is a really good format because they have extra activities after the games and before the games. Like in London we played table tennis, here we're going to do some bowling. I think it's more fun because we get to know the players more who we are playing against at the tables. The next Kashkin Festival will be in Bulgaria. For sure I will go and attend that event because it's been so much fun. There are so many activities, fun stuff we're going to do here. So for sure Bulgaria will be the place to be.